Are you lost in the maze of green card applications? Here's your ultimate guide to navigating the process. Whether you're dreaming of living in the USA or have already started your immigration journey, understanding the green card process is crucial. This guide demystifies each step, ensuring you're equipped with the knowledge to pursue your path to American citizenship confidently. Stay tuned as we dive into the intricacies of visas, applications, and what it means to secure your green card. Let's untangle the web of immigration together and simplify your journey to a new life in the USA. Before diving into the process, it's essential to understand what a green card is and why it's vital. Fundamentally, a green card serves as proof of your permanent residency in the USA. This document not only allows you to live and work in the country but also positions you on the path towards full citizenship. Understanding the different categories of green cards is crucial because they determine the route you'll take. Categories include family-based, employment-based, and those obtained through special immigrant programs. Each has unique requirements and procedures, so identifying which suits your situation is the first step towards success. For instance, family-based green cards often depend on your relationship with a U.S. citizen or permanent resident, whereas employment-based ones focus on your skills and job opportunities. By grasping these basic concepts, you lay the foundation for a smoother navigation through the immigration landscape. This knowledge empowers you, turning what seems like an overwhelming task into a series of manageable steps. As we move forward, keep these categories in mind, as they will guide our discussion on eligibility and application. Eligibility for a green card varies significantly depending on your category. Let's break down the primary paths. For family-based green cards, close relatives of U.S. citizens, such as spouses, children, and parents, often have a more straightforward path. There's also an option for more distant relatives, but these can involve longer waiting periods due to annual caps. For employment-based green cards, eligibility typically hinges on your job skills, the demand for your profession in the U.S., and the support of an employer willing to sponsor you. This sponsorship often requires proving that your employment won't negatively impact U.S. workers. Additionally, there are diversity visas available through the Green Card Lottery, which randomly selects applicants from countries with historically low immigration rates to the USA. Special categories include asylum seekers, refugees, and those under special immigrant programs like the U visa for crime victims. Each category not only has different eligibility requirements but also different quotas and processing times, impacting how quickly you can receive your green card. Understanding these criteria is vital for setting realistic expectations and aligning your efforts with the most suitable path. Up next, we'll delve into the application process itself, preparing you for the paperwork and steps ahead. The green card application process can seem daunting, but breaking it down into steps can make it more manageable. Once you determine your eligibility and category, the next step is submitting a petition to the U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, USCIS. For family-based applications, this usually involves filing Form I-130, while employment-based applications often start with Form I-140. These forms require detailed information about your background, relationship, or job offer. After petition approval, if you're outside the USA, you'll proceed with consular processing at a U.S. embassy or consulate in your home country. This involves submitting Form DS-260 and attending an interview. If you're already in the USA, you'll file Form I-485 to adjust your status. Both paths require a medical examination, fingerprinting, and background checks. The waiting time for an interview or adjustment varies, influenced by your category and country of origin due to annual limits set by the U.S. government. Throughout this process, maintaining organized records and promptly responding to any USCIS requests or notices is crucial. Next, we'll explore what happens after submitting your application and how to handle the waiting period effectively. The waiting period after applying for a green card can be one of the most challenging phases, marked by anticipation and uncertainty. Understanding what to expect can ease some of this stress. The timeline for receiving a green card varies based on your application category and country of origin, as annual caps can create backlogs. During this time, staying informed about your case status is vital. You can check your application status online through the USCIS website using your receipt number. It's also essential to keep your contact information updated with USCIS to receive timely notifications. While waiting, continue to meet any eligibility requirements and maintain good standing in the USA if you're already living there. Engaging with immigrant support groups can also provide emotional support and practical advice from those who have been through the process. Remember, patience is key during this time. Preparing for the possibility of additional documentation requests or interviews can also help ensure you're ready for any next steps. In our final chapter, we'll discuss what to expect once your green card is approved and how to transition to life as a permanent resident. Congratulations, your green card application has been approved. Now, what's next? Upon approval, you'll receive your green card, a crucial document that opens up new opportunities. As a green card holder, you have the right to live and work anywhere in the USA, travel abroad, and re-enter the country without the need for a visa. However, with these rights come responsibilities. It's crucial to understand that maintaining your permanent resident status requires you to adhere to U.S. laws and file taxes. You must avoid any actions that could jeopardize your status, such as committing crimes or spending extended periods outside the USA. After 5 years as a permanent resident, you may be eligible to apply for U.S. citizenship, further solidifying your place in American society. Citizenship offers additional benefits, such as voting rights and the ability to sponsor relatives for their green cards. This step requires taking a citizenship test and interview, proving your English proficiency and knowledge of U.S. history and government. As you settle into life as a permanent resident, embrace the opportunities and challenges this new chapter brings. With this guide, you're better prepared to navigate the complexities of immigration and make informed decisions about your future. Navigating the green card process is a journey of patience and perseverance. We hope this guide has clarified each step, from understanding eligibility to life after approval. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more educational content on immigration and other topics. Share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you and continue the conversation. Thank you for watching, and best of luck on your path to becoming a permanent resident of the USA.